Take out the crossbeam with a transformer. Thread the power cord from the top of the column to the bottom of the column. Take out the connector and install it into the column slot. Tighten with a hex wrench. The bottom of the connector should be flush with the edge of the column. Take out the bottom plate and stick it to the column. Fix with screws. The crossbeam is connected to the column through a metal slider on the back. Tighten it with an Allen wrench. Stand up the installed crossbeam. Take out the crossbeam with motor. The crossbeam is connected to the column through a metal slider. Connect the two connectors with motor labels. Tighten the screws on the crossbeam with an Allen wrench. Install the opposite side crossbeam. Tighten it with an Allen wrench. After the installation of the 4 crossbeams, it is also necessary to check whether the diagonal length of the column is consistent. Take out the light strip. Install the light strip into the crossbeam light slot. Circle around the lamp trough. Connect the light strip cable connector. Assembly of blinds. Take out the motor blades. Install the motor blade cover onto the motor blade. Tighten the screws. Take out the other end of the blade cover and install it onto the motor blade. Tighten the screws. Take out ordinary blades. Install the ordinary leaf cover onto the ordinary blade. Tighten the screws. Take out the other end of the blade cover and install it onto the regular blade. Tighten the screws. Complete the assembly of the blinds in sequence. Install the assembled louvers onto the crossbeam. Unscrew the motor screws. Install motor louvers. Complete the installation of blinds in sequence. Take out the linkage rods on both sides, connected to the blade through screws. Insert the screw and place the gasket between the linkage rod and the louver. Be careful not to tighten the screws too tightly, just tighten the blue rubber ring completely. Plug in the motor power supply. Take out the remote control. Switch the channel to 1 by pressing the up and down buttons on the remote control. Position the motor hose inside the crossbeam. Align with the hole position of the louver and cover. Reinstall the screws that were previously unscrewed. Installation of cable box cover. Install the cable box cover onto the crossbeam. Fix about 3 to 4 self-tapping screws in the groove of the online box cover. Install the top cover of the column and tighten the screws. Drill holes in the bottom plate of the column with an impact drill. Install the expansion screw and tighten it. Take out the decorative cover and install it onto the pillar. Installation is complete.